Will this mean additional bureaucracy and pardon for, and this is not meant to be used in any sort of negative way, but just, just more, is it just more new process? So firstly, no new regulator is being envisaged. The attempt has been made to use and work within existing regulatory infrastructure, so that it is not, one more new regulator. Minimum reporting standard, which is progressive in nature. It will be assisted self-reporting. There have been questions about, will self-reporting mean lack of accountability? No, there'll be significant amount of assistance that will come from information repositories and social impact auditors, who will be encouraged to form their own self-regulatory organization to create a shared sense of accountability in this ecosystem. The quality of reporting will therefore be anchored to a reasonable standard, and accountability to the market will still operate. The reporting standards has attracted a significant amount of questions already. It is envisaged to be progressive and flexible at the same time. The principles of the reporting standards have been accordingly designed, qualitative as well as quantitative, in the form of audiovisual, storytelling, descriptions of impact are absolutely welcome. And if the impact is difficult to identify, then input and output reporting will be sufficient. Will the reporting standard disproportionately favor large nonprofits and sort of move towards a culture of only technocratic entrepreneurs in the nonprofits? We think no. We think this is very exciting and enabling for small nonprofits, which characterizes the Indian nonprofit ecosystem, and assistance will be available through the through the capacity building units that are being envisaged.